Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Have a nice day and welcome to the next lecture of English. See, children, we have started with which topic? We are doing, yes, writing skills. In the writing skills, which two topics we have completed? Report writing and letter writing. I hope you all have understood, right? Today again the one short topic of writing skill I am starting, that is interview questions. This is very easy topic, and let me tell you children, this topic was there in the paper before, but now it is segregated and now interview question doesn't come in the paper of 80 marks. Okay, it carries marks but you have to write it as an assignment for internal evaluation. ठीक है, ये पेपर में नहीं आता है लेकिन आपको इसको असाइनमेंट में लिखना है जो कि आपके 10 मार्क्स हैं इवैल्यूएशन के. ओके, सो लेट मी टेल यू हाउ टू मेक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस. दिस इज़ वेरी इजी एंड इंटरेस्टिंग चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी व्हाट इज़ इंटरव्यू. You may have seen interview on the TV, you may have read interviews in the newspapers, magazine, है ना. आपने देखे होंगे बहुत सारे इंटरव्यू किसके लिए जाते हैं? इंटरव्यूज़ आर मोस्टली टेकन ऑफ अ फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़. आपका हमारा होता है क्या? नहीं होता. मोस्टली किसके इंटरव्यूज़ होते हैं? फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़. मे बी दे आर क्रिकेटर्स, सोशल वर्कर्स, डॉक्टर्स, फिल्म स्टार्स, and so on. Questioning is a skill. It is one of the frequently used language tools. When do we use questions? Generally, questions are very important part of an interview. It is a purposeful interpersonal communication between two individuals. See, whenever you are asking a question, you have to follow some rules and regulation, which I am going to show you. Interview means what? As I told you, it is always taken. इंटरव्यू वी टेक ऑफ फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़. जैसे कोई सिंगर है, कोई डांसर है, या फिर किसी ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है, सडनली समबडी हैज़ अचीव समथिंग सो एंड बिकम फेमस, सो वी टेक द इंटरव्यू ऑफ दोज पर्सनैलिटीज़, राइट. Now I'll give you the live example of this pandemic. We have so many film stars, you might have seen their interviews, right? But today we are going to discuss something else. In this pandemic, when everything was worse, the things were very worse, the people were facing so many problems, and we all have seen in the news that many migrants, they went on walking from one place to another, है ना. हमने देखा कि कितने सारे वर्कर्स जो थे वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक पैदल चल के गए. In this pandemic, there was one of the person who helped those migrants. Who was that person, children? And still he is helping daily. In the social media people are asking for help and he is ready to give them help, and that particular personality is Mr. Sonu Sood. You all know him very well, we all know him very well. He is a finest actor. He did not get so much success in the field of acting, but he has, in this by his contribution in this social work, he has become the national hero nowadays. Yes, we can call him national hero. Okay, so just remember that particular personality in your mind and prepare interview questions. What kind of a questions did you ask to Sonu Sood if you meet him? अब आज का लाइव एग्जाम्पल हमारे सामने क्या है? सोनू सूद है, ठीक है. इसको हमको क्या पूछना है? इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं, ठीक है. पहले मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. लेट मी शो यू द फॉर्मेट हाउ यू विल प्रिपेयर. फ्रेमिंग क्वेश्चन इज दैट राइटिंग स्किल where you have to ask 8 to 10 questions for a situation. These questions should always be direct, social, professional, and do not very personal. Now we have taken the personality Sonu Sood today, right? So here you will ask him the question which are related to this lockdown, his contribution, okay, and the problems he faced. We will ask him about his journey, and some few questions we can ask about his professional life, professionally he is an actor. You cannot ask very personal questions and foolish questions also. आप कितने बजे उठते हैं, आप क्या खाते हैं, ये ऐसे नॉनसेंस क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछने हमको. ओके, do you eat mangoes, do you play cricket, do you do this, do you do that? No, now it is not required. If it is required, then there you can ask. But now what is required, which are the important questions which should be asked by the children, that matters a lot. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से सवाल पूछने हैं और कौन से सवाल नहीं पूछने हैं, ठीक है। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। दिस इज द गाइडलाइन which should be followed by the student while preparing the question. Whenever you prepare the question directly, whenever the personality arrives, directly you start asking the question. No, you make him feel comfortable to that personality, then you welcome that personality, introduce him to your audience, है ना, और उसके बाद आप start करो. See, first point, begin with a cordial welcome. Questions should emerge from the immediate context जो अभी हुआ है. All questions should be open-ended questions. You know, easy question, छोटे छोटे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेंदी questions नहीं पूछने हैं. ओके, क्वेश्चन शुड बी इन प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस एंड रेलेवेंट टू द सिचुएशन. कुछ सवाल ऐसे होते हैं जो स्टार्ट में पूछने चाहिए, कुछ एंड में पूछने चाहिए, तो एंड का ऊपर, ऊपर का नीचे, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. डू नॉट यूज येस और नो क्वेश्चंस. ओके, at the end, obviously you have to give a proper beginning and proper conclusion. There you have to thank the personality for giving you so much of his busy time, है ना. इतना आसान है क्या, वो उनको मिलना मुश्किल होता है और वो आपको इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. See children, it's not like that you take the interview of your of such famous personalities only. Apart from this, you can take the interview of any of your school teacher, principal, even the school peon's interview you can take. It doesn't matter. I gave you this example for better understanding. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. और अभी हम let's see what you have to do next. How to formulate the questions. Use WH, who, when, where, why, how, which, whom. This is so easy and general that this should come when you are preparing the question. Use a question mark at the end of the question. Obviously, अगर question mark नहीं है तो that will look incomplete. So put question mark at the end of the question. Ask logical questions, as I told you before. उसमें logic होना चाहिए, illogical या nonsense questions नहीं होने चाहिए. Questions should be information seeking. Okay, the listener should learn something from those questions. So such questions you should prepare. Okay, which contain some knowledge. Use proper tense. See the grammar, using proper tense. If you whether you have to use the present tense, past tense or future tense, that should be properly used by the student. समझ में आ रहा? Grammatical mistakes नहीं होनी चाहिए. Use short questions. Your short questions should be short, not very lengthy. Understood children? How? This much. You have to make 8 questions, and on the top proper welcome, and at the end proper thanking. Okay. जनरल क्वेश्चन किस तरह के होने चाहिए. हाउ डिड यू टर्न टू दिस फील्ड. आपको कैसे आप ये फील्ड में टर्न हो गए. व्हाट चैलेंजेस डिड यू फेस इन द अर्ली स्टेज. हाउ डिड योर फैमिली सपोर्ट यू टू फुलफिल योर ड्रीम्स. सी चिल्ड्रन, इट्स नॉट ईजी फॉर अस और एनी बडी टू गो अगेंस्ट दियर फैमिली, एंड ऑल फैमिली डजंट सपोर्ट्स, राइट. So you can ask them, we are talking about anybody, like whether they are cricketer, singer, dancer, actors, social workers, कोई भी हो सकता है. सबको ये फील्ड, कोई भी अलग फील्ड में जाना इतना आसान नहीं होता. Sometimes the family support, sometimes they don't support. Okay, what do you think is the turning point in your life? Okay, where you decided that now I have to do this. How did you feel at the zenith of the success? Now you have got so much of success, so how do you feel after achieving so much? How do you manage your professional life and personal life? This is very, very important question. Okay, and at the end, now children, make a habit of asking, convey some message for upcoming generation. What you have to say to the youth. Give some tips. Okay, हमारे आने वाली जनरेशन को आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे, क्या टिप्स देना चाहोगे. This type of questions you have to ask at the end mostly. Okay, not in the beginning. Such questions should come at the end. What message you want to convey to our upcoming generation, or what tips you want to give to our upcoming generation, our youngsters. Fine, I hope you all have understood how to frame. See, we have one of the example. You have been assigned the task of interviewing a well-reputed surgeon of your city. Prepare a set of 8 to 10 questions to be asked to him. See, here you have to ask a question to the surgeon. Surgeon matlab doctor. How did you turn to the medical arena? कैसे medical field में गए आप? What challenges did you face in the early stage? How did your family support you to fulfill your dream? How do you feel at the zenith of the success? What is your opinion about the cut practice in your field? What do you think are the major challenges in your field? See, becoming a doctor and surgeon is not so easy. It's so difficult and challenging. It is not everyone's cup of tea, obviously. You know, you have to pay the money and as well as so much of strength you need for becoming a doctor. नींद चैन सब छोड़ना पड़ता है, इतनी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है, एंड यू शुड बी मेंटली एंड फिजिकली वेरी स्ट्रांग फॉर ऑल द challenges where you have to do many surgeries you have to do, so you have to be very strong, okay, because you have to go through everything. What do you think are the major challenge in your field? What measures do you think will be effective to solve the said challenges? What is your message for the newcomer in your field? See, newcomer in the medical field. अभी ये किसको देगा? Medical field को. और the children those who are still in the colleges or school. क्या message देना चाहेंगे आप? इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आप पूछ सकते हो. समझ में आया सबको अच्छी तरह से? Everybody understood how to make interview questions? I hope you all have understood. Okay, so enjoy this question. I'll give you something for writing also. Apart from that, you can take the interview of your mother also. Mothers are the, we can say, mothers are the legends, we can say. Yes or no? सबको छुट्टी होती है लेकिन मम्मियों को कभी छुट्टी नहीं होती. For just creative activity, I'm giving you this activity. Take the interview of your mother, the real warriors, we can say. समझ में आ रहा? अपनी मम्मीज़ का इंटरव्यू लेकर लिखो. Okay, I hope you all have understood how to take the interview questions. If you are taking your mother's interview, in the beginning you should introduce your mom, her, and then you keep asking the questions. Okay children, till then take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Okay, and enjoy this. Take care. Bye.